Greetings, Emperor Palpatine.
Do you have the plans for the Death Star?
Of course, Emperor Palpatine. Now, when I was designing the Death Star, I decided to design it after a cell. Thought it was a good idea. Cells have organelles, keep it going. So of course, we have the cell membrane right here, or the outer wall of the Death Star. They're similar because the cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell, similar to how the outer wall does with all its shields and stuff. I put in a lot of shields. You're welcome. Next, the nucleus, of course. The nucleus does this amazing thing where it contains the cell's DNA, and it contains the nucleolus, which produces ribosomes. It just kind of controls the cell in general. You're the, we had to put Darth Vader in there, but you're the nucleolus, friend. Next, of course, the mitochondria. Now, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Sorry. The mitochondria's actual function is to produce ATP or energy for the cell and to perform cellular respiration. I made a reactor core to model it, seeing as the reactor core provides power for the entire Death Star. I also had this amazing idea where if we just had a shaft that leads straight down to it, that's the exact size of a torpedo, and if it was hit, it would just blow up the entire Death Star.
Brilliant!
I know, right? Great idea. Next up is the ribosomes. See, now the ribosomes, what they do is they produce proteins that the cell needs. Similar to how our stormtroopers need food. So we made a cafeteria. I think cafeteria is pretty sensible. Next up is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a system of fluid-filled tubes that form a connected highway throughout the cell. So their function is pretty much transport things throughout the cell, so we made an elevator system. I think elevator system's pretty good idea for a moon-sized space. Next is the Golgi apparatus. The purpose of the Golgi apparatus is to synthesize, package, and secrete molecules for the cell. See, now, this is similar to our hangar that we made for our TIE fighters, because the hangars get the TIE fighters ready to fly and ready to go conquer for our glorious empire. After that, we have the vacuole, or the trash compactor. I think we're gonna have a few, probably million people on this thing. We need a place to put the trash, so we made the trash compactor. The trash compactor it serves as a storage site for materials, similar to how a vacuole serves as a storage site for cell materials. Then we have the lysosomes. So, what the lysosomes do is they digest food within the cell. So what I did is I got a trash monster and I shoved it in the vacuole because it eats trash. Great, I know, I'm a genius. Now, next up, we have the centrioles. See, what the centrioles do is they're found only in animal cells, and they aid in cell division. Now, of course, we made a droid repair room because the droid repair room can help create new droids and help create new things. And then finally, the cytoplasm. See, now, in a cell, the cytoplasm is a jelly-like material made mostly of water that holds all the organelles of the cell, just within the cell. You see, now, the cytoplasm in this case is the Force. Because the cytoplasm keeps everything inside and everything in check. The Force keeps everything in balance. Good old Force. And I believe that's it. Should be it for our glorious empire.
Great work, Officer Sam.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Emperor Palpatine.
Just one more thing.
What is it, sir?
You're fired.